Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Joshandy. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. In today's video, we're doing another haul. I love things, yay. So let's do this. So today's haul is from several different places. As I go along, I'll tell you where the stuff are from. If you like hauls and you like to see what new product is out there that you can possibly start to invest in for yourself, right? Even if it's just gift ideas or whatever, you're in the right place. So if you like those type of videos, then keep on watching. The first place we're gonna feature for this haul is the brand Ulta Beauty. So I picked up a few stuff from Ulta, starting with these beauty blenders. These are actually my favorite beauty blenders to use. This is from the brand Real Technique, and there's 4 that comes in the pack. I really love this brand. I love this beauty blender, and so it's forever a staple for me. If you're an OG, you would know that recently I had some dilemma on TikTok with my beauty blenders, but now I have them galore. Okay, from Ulta I also got the shaving oil, and I usually use a foam shaver, but I started using the shaving oil and I definitely see the difference in my skin. And I started using this mostly because I'm investing in my skin. Okay, so I started to try different products, and I'm using the shave oil from the Tree Hut, and this is in the scent watermelon. I did get this in another scent, can't remember, it's in my shower, but this one that I didn't start using as yet, it is in the scent watermelon. Next thing that I got from Ulta Beauty is to help with my sleeping, and this is a Dr. Teal's sleep spray, and this also has melatonin and essential oils. And I am definitely so happy to have this. I love it, and it promotes a better sleep at night. It's because it's nighttime. As you can see, I'm in my PJs. Let's get the party started. So the next thing that I picked up from Ulta Beauty is this toner from Clinique. This is definitely a repeat for me. This is probably like my 5th time purchasing this. I really love this toner. It's gentle on my skin. I have very sensitive skin, and this really helps me. I also picked up this travel size Tarte concealer from Ulta Beauty, and this is in the shade Espresso, and this is what I use to contour. But to be very honest, they did not have my shade Espresso in the bigger size, so I got the smaller one because why not? It lasts very long because, as I said, I use this to contour. Next, I just picked up some lash glue, and this is the Duo lash glue, and this is just a staple for me. I've been getting my lashes done more often than usual. As of now, I really love the look, I really love it, but when I am back to strip lashes, or whenever I do use my strip lashes, this is the glue that I use. Next set of products I got from a brand called the Patch brand, and I just picked up some of their patches to help me out. So this one is supposed to help with energy. This one, stress relief. I used the energy one before, and I live on the sleep one. This one is for focus, just like my camera needs to focus. This one is for immunity, and this one is for sleep. I'm almost out of this one. I really do use it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a very hard time sleeping. So those are the stuff I grabbed from the brand, the Patch brand. And these are all supplements, by the way, that you do patch on your wrist, and it helps you with whatever the box says it's about. So alright, so the next brand I did shop some stuff from is Victoria's Secret, and I just got some body spray from them for myself. And I just got some body spray from them, and I just use them at nighttime just to help with my sleeping and to smell good at night. I know, but you're going to your bed, Josh. Yeah, whatever, I want to smell good all the time. So I got the scents Bombshell, Passion, and I also got, so both of them are Bombshells. So one is Passion and one is Intense. I really love these. And I also picked up 2 mint gloss from them because I genuinely love these. So yeah, I got that. Okay, to the big boy, last but not least, the brand. Okay, I shopped some stuff from Amazon. So let me go ahead and show you all the stuff that I did get from Amazon, and yeah, let's go. So I got this pack of highlighter, and these are just highlighter pens that I plan to use in my journal and also in my Bible, because I recently got a new Bible. So these are just in the pastel shades. I didn't want anything too bright to make me feel, yeah, but these are just muted pastels, and I'm very happy I copped these, and as I said, must have from Amazon. I also got a light panel, and this is just to read. Sometimes you want to read but you can't take the bright light in your face at night time. Like even now after filming this video, I want to jump in bed but I want to read, I want to be productive. So you just go ahead and use this light, and it works with batteries. I just still haven't gotten the chance to go get them. Not even sure, hold on, I don't even know. They should work with batteries. I'm not sure why I'm not seeing where they should be going. But yeah, you don't want the light in your eyes, so look at it. Also use a lot of batteries, but yeah. So next on the list, I got a pack of African washcloth, and these are so good. They feel so rough on the skin, so I'm not gonna send you for go tear off your skin, but these really help to reach areas that you can't, because they are very long and they are somewhat stretchy, just a little bit, but you can get in the areas that you really can't necessarily reach with your hands, and that's one of the reasons why I really love these. So I would definitely recommend getting this. All right, so I also picked this up, and this is the gratitude journal. I picked this up because I really want to start journaling, and I love the color. I love that it's so aesthetically pleasing, and I can't wait to start journaling in this. So next on the list, I actually got these little brushes for showering, and I really think they are so cute, and they're very flexible. You must have seen these a lot over the internet, but I did get these to elevate my shower experience and also to help my skin healing journey. So yeah, I also picked these up from Amazon. Also, I got this from Amazon as well, and this is just a mobile phone light, and this is just gonna help me to elevate my content. If you don't know, I'm a content creator, and so I just wanted to pick up some stuff that could help me with my content. So this is a phone light, and this should help me to get a brighter light. Okay, let's try it. Actually, seeing that we're here now, let's just try it. I really want to try it, but the thing is just light, and you can just change the settings, and I'm assuming it can get brighter. Yeah, as you can see, you can change the settings that you want. So yeah, okay girl. So I grabbed this as well from Amazon. So I also got a tongue scraper. This is just to help with my dental hygiene, so pretty self-explanatory, but I got this as well from Amazon. Then I got this pen from Amazon, and this is a Apple pencil case. So it should go on my actual Apple pencil. This is a case for it, okay? Isn't that so cute? So my iPad is actually purple, so I got a purple pencil case for the pencil. So I got this as well from, drumroll, Amazon. I got this candle. I got this electric lighter, and this is to light my candles. Wow, steamy. Yeah, this is to light my candles. So as you can see, it's very, yeah, and it's flexible so that I can reach into the candle when I need it to. So yeah, I got this, and I absolutely love it. Oh, and I also got these pencil tips for my pencil, my iPad pencil. I got this as well. Okay, so next thing from Amazon I got is in this case, and it is some microphones for my phone so that I can elevate my audio. I'm not sure if it can work with my camera. I will have to see if it is compatible. Highly doubt, but I know that this is for phones, and yeah, I just want to elevate my voiceovers and my content overall, so I bought this to help with that. Next up, I got this crimping iron because I knew I was gonna get a traditional sewing. I don't like to see long hair curl up. It's not like you're going to keep the curls anyway. So I got this crimping iron, and this is to just crimp my hair when I want a nice look different from the straightness, because right now it's just bone straight. So I got this crimping iron that would help to give me a different look. I got this liquid chlorophyll to put in my water. This is just to help with my digestive system because I really want to start taking my gut health seriously. So I grabbed a bottle of this, and this is the one I got. Okay, I also got this magnifier for my phone. I want to use it to start filming content. So as you can see here, it mashed up already. But yeah, I got this for my phone just to elevate my content. This is another thing that I did get to help with my content. Suction for my phone to put on the wall, so that the mirror, so that I can do like skincare routine and stuff like that. So as you can see, I got this from Amazon, and then you just stick it to the wall and you stick your phone to it. So yeah, the mirror. Last but not least, I got me a new Bible, and it's so cute, so aesthetically pleasing. It reminds me of me. I just don't want anything that is gonna bore me to death, so I'm sorry, I got this Bible that I can take notes in, and I can use my marker to, you know, keep it cute and just learn the gospel. So yeah, this is something I really wanted to get so that I could read the Bible more, just in a fun version. And so I grabbed this as to help me, and it's a newer version, so it's a little bit translated. So some of the diction that they do use in the regular Bible is not in this, it's kind of translated. So yeah. Last but not least, I grabbed this actually from Best Buy. It's just some film for my Polaroid camera, and it's just what, 10 in there. So yeah, or 20, because it's 10 per film. Yeah, so that's it for the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, babies, take care. Bye.